Why do 80% of new Redmi users struggle with setup? Let's make yours a breeze. First, press and hold the power button until you see the Xiaomi logo. Choose your preferred language and region. Connect to your Wi-Fi network and then sign into your Google account. This syncs your contacts, emails, and more. Upgrading from an old phone? Use the data transfer tool to move everything over. Secure your phone with fingerprint or face unlock. Your phone will install essential apps automatically, but you can snag more from the Google Play Store. Dive into the settings menu to personalize your phone, change notifications, sounds, and more. Keep your software updated for the latest features and security patches. Explore MIUI, Xiaomi's custom Android interface, for cool customization options. Remember to enable security features like Find My Device and App Lock. Need more help? Check out the Xiaomi user manual or search for Redmi Note 13 setup on YouTube. Enjoy your new Redmi Note 13.